In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Facebook profile into a page. This process is perfect for those of you looking to leverage the benefits of a professional Facebook page, such as enhanced engagement tools and audience insights, while maintaining your personal profile. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Facebook's homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile picture and name. Click on it to navigate to your personal profile page. This is your starting point for turning your profile into a page. Now that you're on your profile page, take a look around for three little dots. These dots are typically located on the right side of the screen near your cover photo. Clicking on them will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Turn on Professional Mode. This is the feature that allows you to transform your personal profile into a more page-like experience, offering you new tools and insights. Once you've clicked on Turn on Professional Mode, a prompt will appear, giving you a brief rundown of what this mode entails. Essentially, it's designed to offer creators and public figures the tools they need to grow their audience and analyze engagement. If this aligns with your goals, click on the Turn On button to proceed. This action will activate professional mode on your profile, effectively converting it into a page. Keep in mind that while your profile is now in professional mode, you still maintain control over your friend list, and your privacy settings remain intact. This means you can still interact with friends as you did before, but now you have the added benefit of page features, like access to insights that help you understand how your content is performing and the ability to reach a broader audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned your Facebook profile into a page, unlocking a range of tools designed to help you grow and manage your presence on the platform. This setup is ideal for those who want to blend personal interaction with professional outreach. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the new features now available to you in professional mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from this feature. See you next time.